Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide. On today's video I'm going to show you how to make a collage on Google Photos. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Google Photos app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in with your Google account. Now on your screen you're gonna find photos that has been backed up and the photos that are on your device. Well, other options are photos, memories, library and search. You have to select the photos that you want to make collage of. Once you do that, you're gonna find add to option at the bottom of your screen right beside share. Tap on it, then you can create new album, shared album, collage, highlight video, cinematic photo and animation. Just tap on collage option there, then they're gonna give you few layouts, frames, etc. Just select the design that you want and tap on save at the bottom right corner. And guys, that's it. That's how you make a collage on Google Photos. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.